Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Have you ever gone to a market and felt nervous because you didn't know what to say in English? You see fruits, vegetables, bread, but you stay quiet because you're not confident?
Don't worry. Today, we're going to change that forever.
Welcome to English Flow Podcast, the place where your English becomes natural and confident.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Let's make speaking English at the market super easy for you with real conversations, practice, and smart phrases you can use anywhere.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when buying fruits, vegetables, or anything at a market.
Let's start with a simple conversation about buying fruits.
Excuse me, how much are these apples?
They're $2.50 per kilo. Very fresh today.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes. How much are the strawberries?
They're $3 per box.
Okay, I'll take 1 box.
No problem. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you notice how Emma started politely with, "Excuse me"? That's the best way to talk to a seller.
And I'll take 1 kilo is a natural way to tell the seller how much you want. Simple, right?
Let's practice some useful phrases. Repeat after us.
How much are these?
Per kilo.
I'll take 1 kilo.
Anything else?
Great job. Keep practicing these every day.
Now let's listen to another conversation, this time at the vegetable stall.
Hi, do you have tomatoes today?
Yes, we do. They're $2 per kilo.
Great, I'll take half a kilo.
Anything else?
Yes, do you sell onions?
Yes, onions are $1.50 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo of onions.
Would you like some carrots, too? They're very fresh.
How much are the carrots?
$1.20 per kilo.
That's good. I'll take 1 kilo.
Perfect. Anything else?
No, that's all. How much is everything?
That'll be $4.70 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
See how Liam asked, "Do you have?" and "Do you sell?" These are very useful when shopping.
And how much is everything helps you ask the total price politely.
Let's quickly go over these phrases. Repeat after us.
Do you have?
Do you sell?
How much is everything?
That'll be, meaning the total price is.
Excellent. Now let's learn how to ask about freshness and discounts.
Excuse me, are these bananas fresh?
Yes, very fresh. They arrived this morning.
Great. How much are they?
$2 per kilo.
That's a bit expensive. Can you give me a discount?
Okay, I can give them for $1.80 per kilo.
Perfect. I'll take 1 kilo.
Anything else?
Yes. Do you have any oranges?
Yes, over there on the left.
How much are they?
$2.50 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take half a kilo.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are these fresh? Is a great way to ask about quality.
And can you give me a discount is useful in markets where bargaining is common. Let's try a quick role play. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, how much are these?
They're $2 per kilo.
That's a bit expensive. Can you lower the price?
Okay, $1.80.
Great. I'll take 1 kilo.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Practice this conversation in different ways. It will make your English sound natural and confident.
Let me share a personal story. When I moved to a new city, I was nervous to shop at local markets because I didn't know what to say. One day, I finally tried saying, "How much is this?" The seller smiled and helped me. That small moment gave me confidence, and now I enjoy going to markets.
That shows how just one simple sentence can change everything. Confidence comes from practice. Let's review all the key phrases. Repeat after us. Excuse me, how much are these? I'll take 1 kilo, please. Do you have tomatoes? Do you sell bread here? How much is everything? That'll be $5 in total. Are these fresh? Can you give me a discount? Thank you. You're welcome.
These are real sentences used in real markets. Practice them every day to become fluent.
Today, you learned how to ask for prices, freshness, discounts, and the total cost.
You listened to real conversations, repeated useful phrases, and even practiced role play.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
And we're here to guide you every step of the way.
Thank you for listening to English Flow Podcast.
If this episode helped you, make sure to subscribe and follow us.
Leave a 5-star review and share this episode with your friends.
And don't stop here. Watch our next episode where we'll teach you how to order food at a restaurant in perfect English. It's fun, practical, and full of smart phrases you can use right away.
Keep practicing and let your English flow.